fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. And today we are making a stuffed omelet. You're like, what? Stuffed omelet?
Stuffed omelet.
Well, you know, you can stuff bread. People stuff French toast. They stuff fish. They stuff chicken. This is your world. So we have a Colby cheese here, our pepperjack cheese. We have a little slap your mama seasoning.
Slap your mama.
Yes.
Okay, mama.
We have some spinach, because we got to get our green in here, right? We have our sausage, and we have some bacon for the bacon lover in you. And we have some eggs for our omelet and our butter, because everything tastes better with butter.
Always better.
And we have some tater tots that we just kind of crushed up here, because you know you gotta get your little dose of daily potatoes. I already put a little butter to make our omelet, and Ian is gonna mix up our eggs. He's gonna put a little slap your mama in them.
Slap your mama.
Yeah, guys, don't really go try to slap your mama, because if you have a mama like I had, she gonna slap you back.
Oh yeah.
Put a little bit of slap your mama. Okay, so they're saying that, okay, it's good. They're saying that it's so good that it makes you want to slap
your mama.
So they shortened it by just saying, hey, slap your mama.
There you go.
All right, E?
All right.
All right, so.
There you go.
All right. So we want to go ahead and. Yeah. Okay, so we got our cheese. Our cheese is our glue in this case. All right. Get some here.
Yes,
okay.
What would you like next?
Now, why don't you give me a little bit of potatoes?
Want the potatoes?
A little bit of potatoes.
Have a little fun.
Okay. Get a little bit of potatoes over here.
Crunched up nicely so you can, it doesn't make too much of a bulky.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, Ian, and let's get some pepperjack cheese.
Ooh, yeah, the pepperjack.
Yes, right.
Mama, have fun.
Show that love right here to the pepperjack.
Have fun with the pepperjack. Give it a little kick.
Kick.
Give that
You know?
little
Now let's get a little bit of that our spinach.
There you go. Get some iron in you.
Yeah, get some iron, some vitamin
Yeah,
K.
yeah.
And then we're gonna mix up our cheese again. Yes, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
all about the cheese, baby, because it's all about the glue up in here.
Okay.
Let's get a little bit of sausage up in here for the life of Ian.
Yes.
Some beef sausage up in here for the life of Mr.
Yes.
Ian. All right, so let's get some more
Cheese? Oh, yeah, throw more cheese.
Well, why not?
Yeah, that's right. Hey.
And why not? This is your glue, honey.
I know.
Okay. Okay.
You don't, sure you don't want to.
Let's get the glue going on here.
Sure you don't want to put that. You can top it on your topping.
So now, in order, we can get some more of my glue going on here. In order to make your thing stick, you're gonna turn around and you're gonna put the lid on it.
Right.
So you just done stuff your omelet. Okay. So yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay. We're gonna put some cheese here, and we're gonna disguise it so they don't see the goodness that they have in here.
Which one you want now? You want this one?
Yes. This one.
There you go.
Okay. All right. They can just see some cheese.
Melted
I don't want them to
cheese.
see any of our meat-o. Here we go. See?
Cool.
Cheese makes everything nice.
Yes, it does.
Nobody knows what you got up in here.
And
And then we're going to put the lid on it to help it to melt.
And we'll come back to.
And we'll come back and we'll, get our omelet, our stuffed omelet. We have our stuffed omelet stuffed with our pepperjack cheese and our Colby cheese and some tater tots that we crushed up, some beef sausage, as well as our spinach. Look at our omelet that's stuffed inside, what it looks like. You get to see all this goodness melted and hidden inside that only you, and when you begin eating it, knows what's in it. Well, look what we have here. A stuffed omelet.
A real stuffed omelet.
Now, if you were presenting this to someone and they had no idea, I mean, because we did it for you guys know what's in it, right? But if you're doing it for your loved one or friend or whoever, well, a friend should be a loved one too, right?
Always.
You'd be like, hey, they could be like, oh, you gave me an omelet. I'd be like, yeah, but do you know what's in it? It's stuffed with some goodness and some love.
A lot of love.
So here we go.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, see, I gotta turn it around myself.
Yeah.
Oh, it's thick. How is it thick?
Okay. So far, I got cheese in my first one.
For sure.
Okay, I can see right there. The goodness stuff right here.
Yeah, right. I see mine. Right next to it.
Wow. Oh, I can taste a little bit of that slap your mama.
Yeah.
And that pepperjack.
Pepperjack. I get in the pepperjack a lot.
I feel like you need flavor in your life. That's why. Okay. Tater tots. That pepperjack. And the sausage.
The crunch from the tater tots is delicious.
Look at the spinach in here. Look at the spinach.
Yeah.
With that white pepperjack, look at that spinach. You see the little specks? The pepperjack? So good.
Mama.
This is really good.
Excellent. Really is good. One more bite here.
So, this is really good. Wow. So this could be obviously your breakfast, or it could be your lunch.
Or a brunch.
Definitely a brunch, or your dinner.
Oh.
You want to come home and make your life simple, but you have your full protein, and you have your dairy, of course, in here too. You have your healthy fat from your butter. You have your carbs from your potatoes. You got your green from your spinach. You got your meat from your sausage. You have the full My Plate diet right here. Right here. Right here, right here. And if you want to make it keto style, take out the potatoes. And you got yourself a keto style omelet. Look, here's our call to action.
Yes.
Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. We also ask you to click the like button, but we also ask you to share this channel with your family and friends. They'll love you for it. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Yes. I really do appreciate you taking your time to eat with us virtually while we ate physically, but you too can eat this physically. Yes. Omelets are not super hard to make. I know everything's quite getting expensive now, but treat yourself to an omelet. If you could buy some eggs, treat yourself to it. And again, you surprise yourself, even though you know what you're putting in it, but stuffing or whatever you want. The key is to make sure that you have closed your edges with the natural glue of cheese. That's what's going to make it stick. And nobody know what's inside but you.
Yes.
So I thank you so much again. And we look forward to you hanging out with us again.
Yes, we do.
Love you guys. Bye.